home screen of the SPlayer application. As you can see here, once you have allowed access to your storage, you will pretty much have access to pretty much everything, the videos and so forth on your device. And as well, if you do tap on this option, we'll pretty much load up all the videos on your device as well, and you'll be able to watch it from this application or this player application here. Very, very simple to use. And here you have the folder section here. You can see a lot of downloaded things. You have the history section here as well. Nothing much for the setting section here, but you have the general settings, which you can also select where the downloaded files or documents go as well. As you can see here, and you have the player option, which can adjust the quality of the video. As you can see here, you can pretty much put it to 180p here, which I do recommend. The higher the better the quality. So that's really pretty much it for that there. Very easy to use, nothing much. And if you're going to watch any video that you have downloaded, I would recommend this application here. So it will pretty much, let's say for example, if you have downloaded a video, and then pretty much when you download a folder, you pretty much tap on this section here, and you'll be able to see that download video, I should say. So that's really pretty much it for this application. If I missed anything at all, just let me know in the comment section. I'll see if I can help you out. See you in the next one.